Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nirenstein, and today we are testing out Tesla's all-new full self-driving software in downtown Los Angeles. Last time we tried this out, it was sketchy at best, but Tesla claims the new software is much better. Let's put it to the test. For the Tesla nerds, this is version 12.5. First, let's see if the Tesla can navigate me out of this super busy parking lot. Okay, can the Tesla figure out the Air One parking lot in Calabasas? It's honestly a really hectic parking lot, even just driving yourself. There's people going in every single direction. Nobody knows how to drive, and everyone just wants their Hailey Bieber shake. All right, it's making a left. It's seeing all of these people. There's cones. All right, now there's a car in my lane, so hopefully it doesn't hit that. Wow, okay. Now it's gonna steer back over. This is actually really impressive. Okay, the ultimate challenge, downtown Los Angeles. This guy wants to race. On the freeway, autopilot has always been fantastic. It slows down, speeds up with traffic. Now I've noticed it changes lanes a lot more frequently. It detects that the lane to the left or the right of me is moving faster. See, it's detecting a lane to the left, although there is a person there, so hopefully it doesn't change lanes yet. It's telling me to pay attention on the road. You're a scat pack, I'm not racing you. The other cool thing is, it actually will speed. The speed limit is 65 and it's willing to go 75 miles an hour, which is kind of hilarious. It's also got 3 different FSD modes, chill, average, and assertive for how aggressive your Tesla is gonna drive. I'm not gonna lie, I do wish there was a plaid mode. That'd be hilarious. The car just drives like a total douchebag. At this point, I feel like I'm on more of a ride than I am inside of a car. All right, we are about to exit. The goal is for the next 5 or 10 minutes to not touch the wheel or the pedals at all. Now, it might ask me to touch the wheel just to make sure I'm still alive and behind the driver's seat, but let's see if the Tesla Model S Plaid, what on earth was that? Well, it's already missed its exit and I'm getting honked at by a semi-truck. Are you kidding me? All right, take 2. Starting things off strong with what looks to be a prison of some sort. All right, going through the intersection, there are cones everywhere. It seems to have figured that out pretty good, actually. Bicyclists, construction. I tried to just put a whole bunch of random points in to make this as hectic as possible for the Tesla to see if it can actually handle this. And hopefully, for the next 5 or 10 minutes, I don't have to touch the steering wheel or the pedals whatsoever, and I don't total my car. All right, we've got both a stop sign and a light. Let's see what it does here. All right. Clean WRX. So far, so good. I mean, compared to the previous generation of autopilot, all right, this will be interesting because there is a person in the crosswalk and now they're going down the street. So I don't think it's anticipating people to be in the street. There we go. The first generation of full self-driving that I did a video with was useless. I mean, we tried at LAX and every 3 seconds I had to intervene and it was absolutely ridiculous. But this so far I'm pretty impressed with. So if we go to software, we are on version 12.5.4.1. Now it's changed this to a stop sign, the flashing red. And it was able to figure that out, which is pretty impressive. And if you go into the release notes for the full self-driving, it's got a whole bunch of information about why it's better now. All right, that person just made a weird turn, was able to sort it out. We've got the new ass mode, actually smart summon, which is pretty impressive, that a multi-billionaire would name a product inside of his Tesla ass. Only Elon would do something like that. It's pretty hilarious. It's actually not hilarious. It's like 3rd grade humor, but the fact that it would get that far into production, that is hilarious to me. So I believe FSD supervised is like lane change assist on the highway, so on and so forth, and full self-driving supervised is what we're doing right now, where I'm not touching the steering wheel whatsoever or the pedals, and it is navigating the chaotic world of downtown Los Angeles. I can't remember the last time I've been in DTLA. All right, so now we typed in smorgasbord. Let's see. All right, a guy is crossing on a green light. And then this guy is riding his bike up the wrong way. So that is unique. I mean, look, the Tesla's able to figure out people doing things that make absolutely no sense. So in that regard, that is pretty... What is going on with that building? Interesting. In that regard, it's really, really impressive. All right, police officer. Please don't pull me over for having this thing on my head. Oh my God. Okay. Well, it did hit the brakes, but that was terrifying. Okay, this guy's stopped in the middle of the street. That guy is riding his bike the wrong way. All right. All right, well, you know what? I'm stunned. The fact that it's able to navigate this absolutely chaotic environment is insane. Okay, these people are in the middle of the road. Oh, look at that. It's steering around them. Nice. Good work. That guy is blasting music in his lifted Jeep. All right, these people are having a full-on conversation in the middle of the road. All right, but it's going around them nicely. More people crossing the road. This is why I picked DTLA. I figured a lot of people would be crossing in the middle of the street and it would be super hectic. Oh, nice. M240i. All right, thought that biker, I mean, those are encampments in the middle of the road. It's pretty sad to see the state of downtown LA, honestly. But I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? I find that, like, look at that. There's random signs in the middle of the street and it just went around him. I think this is very, very impressive. I think you could legitimately click a button and have a good chance that the Tesla is going to get you to your destination without a problem whatsoever. And that was absolutely not the case before. In fact, I deactivated my subscription for full self-driving because it was so useless, because I was worried it was gonna hit curbs and it just seemed skittish. But then Tesla gave me a free trial of full self-driving to like hook me back in. Now they dropped it also from $200 a month to $99 a month. And now they've updated so much that I'm debating actually paying the $99 a month, because this is, I don't know, I think this is pretty cool. It's actually working. And especially in traffic, I mean, look, as somebody who loves driving cars, a car that drives itself isn't the most enthusiast choice of vehicle, but when you're in traffic and you're in a place like downtown LA, where you're just commuting from point A to point B, maybe you're coming home from work, you're exhausted, the ability to click a button and drive you home is unbelievable. Now, it does actually use the in-cabin camera right here to sense your eyes. So if you pick up your phone and you start looking away, it might not do it at the stoplight because we're not moving, but if you try texting for a bit, a couple more than a few seconds, it will give you a beep on the screen. And if you do that a couple times, it'll deactivate full self-driving. And if you deactivate full self-driving by disobeying it more than 5 times, then it basically takes it away from you for a couple weeks. It actually doesn't tell you, but I've lost full self-driving once and I believe I lost it for 2 weeks. All right, see, I feel like it could be going more now, but it's waiting. See, that person was gonna drive around me. Are they driving around me? No, okay. Okay, it's gonna try to go down an alleyway right now, which I don't really wanna do, but okay. Let's just see what happens here. Okay, so it turns out security did not find that entertaining. Guess we weren't supposed to go there. Thanks, Tesla. So it's not very good at reading signs because that place was closed. Sometimes there's a big food truck fair there, which is pretty awesome, but apparently not right now during the middle of the week at 2 p.m. We're gonna give the Tesla a couple more tests, see what it's like. Wow, a CA exempt license plate on a random Toyota. I wonder if that's an undercover. I'm actually so confused what that is. For those people watching outside of California, the easiest way to tell if it's a government vehicle or if you're looking to see if a Charger is a cop car is it says CA exempt. It doesn't have the normal registration as a pedestrian car, but I've never seen one Whoa, big dip. It also doesn't understand that my car is lowered, so if I wasn't paying attention for the lift, it probably would bang some things up. But obviously, it's not typical to have a lowered Tesla. This is great. I mean, I would never in a million years drive the better part of an hour out to downtown LA to drive around in circles and then drive more than an hour back in a normal car unless it could basically do everything for me. I'm just sitting here with a GoPro filming this video, and it's pretty chill. All right, does it sense the door? Guess it wasn't in the way. That guy was not looking whatsoever. Oh, it thought that guy was going for it and it slammed the brakes. That was interesting. Oh, that woman also was about to go for it. Well, we haven't hit anybody and the Tesla hasn't crashed. So I'd say that's honestly a big success. No way. Look at that sign. What? I mean, that's enough directions. Oh, look, we can go to the pyramids of Giza. It's only 7,800 miles away. Perfect. That's interesting. I wonder why they have all those signs. It's kind of cool, actually. See, right here, noticing the biker. Picking up the cars next to me as well. The car pulling up behind me. It is very aware of what's going on, which is a good thing because my life is at risk here. Damn, cool mural. I've never been to this area of LA before. Thank you, Tesla, for giving me a scenic tour. All right, ran the yellow pretty aggressively right by a school. Good work, Tesla.